Yes, here in this question we have to find the volume of a solid enclosed between x square plus y square is equal to 2ay and z square is equal to 2ay. For this we will use triple integration method. Okay, in triple integration method, volume is equal to triple integration dz dx dy. Okay, then we have to decide the limit of z, x and y. So to decide the limit of z, here we have the equation z square is equal to 2ay. That means z is equal to plus minus under root 2ay. From here we can say that lower limit is minus under root 2ay and upper limit is plus under root 2ay. Now we will convert this Cartesian form into polar form to make this integration simpler. Okay, to convert the Cartesian form into polar form, there are some transformation converting into polar form. The transformations are x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta, and dx dy r dr d theta. Okay, and x square plus y square is equal to r square. Then v is equal to now minus square root 2a and y is r sin theta. Similarly here 2a, y is r sin theta, and dz dx dy will be replaced by r dr d theta. Now our task is to find the limit of r and theta. How we will find the limit of r and theta? For this we have the equation x square plus y square is equal to 2ay. So x square plus y square is equal to r square and y is r sin theta. Cancel out r, then r is equal to 2a sin theta. Here from this we can say that limit of r is 0 to 2a sin theta. Now our goal is to find the limit of theta. For this, draw this into xy plane. So x square plus y square minus 2ay is equal to 0. Then add a square in both sides. It is whole square of y minus a. Then x square plus y minus a whole square a square. This is the equation of circle with center 0 comma a with radius a. So this is the circle and this is y axis and this is x axis. So now to find the area of this circle, this is elementary section. So here this is theta. To cover whole circle you have to rotate this elementary section like this, in this way. So when you will rotate your hand like this, then you can say that you are moving from theta is equal to 0 to pi. This position is theta is equal to 0 and this position is theta is equal to pi. So now limit of theta is 0 to pi. Okay, now we will solve this integration. First integrate dz. So integration of dz is z. Lower limit is minus 2a r sin theta square root and upper limit is square root 2a r sin theta r dr d theta. Okay, then is equal to 0 to pi and this is 0 to 2a sin theta. So upper limit minus lower limit. So upper limit minus lower limit minus minus plus. So then this is 2 square root 2ar sin theta r dr d theta. Now we will integrate with respect to r, and when we will integrate with respect to r, then sin theta will be constant. Okay, so constant will be taken out from the integration. Oh sorry, r into square root r, that is r to the power 3 by 2. Here this is square root r and r. On multiplying r and square root r, we will get r to the power 3 by 2. To root 2 a sin theta, and integrating this, increase this power by 1 and divide by this power. Okay, limit is 0 to 2a sin theta. Limit is 0 to 2a sin theta. By upper limit minus lower limit. 2a sin theta 5 by 2 minus 0 5 by 2 d theta. Okay, two into 2 is 4, so 4 by 5 2a sin theta, and square root is nothing but power half. Okay, and this is 2a sin theta power 5 by 2 d theta. Adding these two power, it will be 6 by 2, that is 3. So v is equal to 4 by 5 integration 0 to pi 2a sin theta cube d theta. Now see it, v is equal to 4 by 5 0 to pi 8a cube sin cube theta d theta. Okay, now we have to use a trigonometric identity. Sin 3 theta is equal to 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta. From here, sin cube theta is 1 by 4 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. Okay, 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta is equal to 4 sin cube theta, then divide by 4. So 1 by 4 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta. So then v is equal to 4 by 5, 8 into 4 32 by 5 a cube. Now sin cube theta is 1 by 4 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta d theta. Okay, so 4 8s are 32, 8 by 5 a cube. 3 integration of sin theta is minus cos theta. Integration of sin 3 theta is equal to minus cos 3 theta upon 3. Now put the limit. 3 cos pi minus cos 0 plus 1 by 3 cos 3 pi minus cos 0. Okay, minus 3 cos pi is minus 1 1 by 3 minus 1. Okay, so now simplify this. So minus 3 into minus 2 is 6 minus 2 by 3. So 8a cube divided by 5 into 18 minus 2. 6 3 is 18 minus 2, 16 by 3. 16 8 is 128 a cube upon 15. This is your answer. Okay, thank you.